Uskuma zo patches uskuma no go open na your home uskuma on. Say ushimu na do say ni.
Me fi uko.
Ah, uko wan ma idiot. Headmaster be hey, afi na kwa na ba.
So no so me boa.
If you can go say me chere me no.
Ku kasa me bi ma no.
Wo mi anu kwa say me na yo ka chere me no.
Opoku. Ma men ka wasem. Se be adwuma na nya wo se dia. School no nya wo se dia. Enya wo se na tu school yi. School no ko bia ya na koma so ade de no bo so ade a na ka school na nyina ma ko bi. What in Kasama?
Oba o bisa me kasa impo e mama so yi.
Oh frako na kan. Wa bo un so sample school.
What's my wo kan hu nya me o. Nkwasase ma wo di no school mu anu na me ka ho asem. Na nya wo kasa na wo kan.
Na master wo yi na dia na ayedai. We na different school man na ayedai.
Ma me kan kire o.
Me na mbo adoma no nya de obembo.
Hey. You tunu for no person hwa. Ma men ka asem kire o. E free na ekro. So free school mpa. Na wanye eziat. Ka hu to school no wachai. May you were straight.
Me come bo obi amane o. Me
kwasia.
Obo wa amane. Wa amane.
E also to ma me buka ase ohun.
Abi bo say ima ya amane.
Kwasia. House master ho anoko bo say ima ya amane. Say ima ye na ba ma wa eziat.
Yen friend my age.
Me friend say ima ye.
Yen friend see.
Ma mo obi amane.
Next headmaster me na obey me krokro de John.
Abi you want say me here to charge and come to charge me.
Obey ya dan koda da do yo hu.
Say we dem say.
Ah, na wo school me patch me nti wase school wa bon. Untimi wo ye boa kakra na odi be wi school. Wo so won sample school.
Say na wan na ben ya de no be school.
Ah, hey, ye kata so try to phone.
Enye ne say but o say so we need any sick bay but I say e ba ye na na say na no.
To be pin eh. To be pin we me boss mo mu ohun.
School nurse.
Hey.
Headmaster.
E me po bi o mu ade o.
Headmaster jina school nurse.
Me po bi o mu ade wate.
Hey. Min shade min hu ne men fa nya wo. O se be hwe odin min hu ne men ka nkire wo.
So be board.
Wo mu ya ka brofo a wuntimi nka bi. E ba masa wa bon science wa bon social set wa bon ko wa bon se profosi.
You ni mane nsem keka.
Ba ko konsade a mapi.
Headmaster, obende ye nya ne sa no nina mu.
Nyama wa ni nam school mu asa.
Na na se fa so be no.
Dabi
yi na di no nko.
Dabi ye man ni nam school mu asa ba se amanfo.
Ene yi na di no nko.
Dabi so one thing say ada e be sa happen biom. Who free school mu ha. Abrawanye eziata. Kan hu se school no wawie. Won so wa ye no mobo. Se de tebia menya wo meyi wadi. Wo be yi wo hu adi. Asasa amre na so. Men kasan ha we yi ni hu adi. Because ye kasa mani mpi me ma 30 minutes over no in school ha we yi ni hu adi.
Ko be bia say emergency na ba theater me dia.
China for my bra.
So na me mama dey say.
Ayo mama na do ba school.
Na na to ni si ni.
For my bra.
Uni se.
Say me mama dey o ba.
China for my bra. So so wajimi. China for my bra. Mama omo de nyema ba sick bay on ko hwe na receive. O receive hey. O receive a record na fabre me office. Record bi.
Na do de akwa hu ni bi be hwem so ana.
Men pensam hunu. Me se kono ko receive nyema na me se aba sick bay on. O so ya we ni e da ba so na se ko receive na fa report bre me so a.
Ja we soon fa so bi mi.
O do be yi hu adi. O minim se o be yi hu adi. So onya ho akolapa o be yi hu adi. Ko record me nyema na me hu hia se ne kwata se ba bia odi. So hu na akwa.
O be so asore. Ato onya akwa papa. We don't chu ketema.
Na we ho. One sign amen.
talking now? Who will be honorable?
Opoku, good morning. Opoku, I'm sorry. Opoku, I'm sorry. Let's just put everything behind us and live like siblings. You know, you and I, we are alike. And we've always been alike. I'm really sorry for everything that I've done to you. Opoku, let me hold your bag for you.
Hey.
Opoku, I didn't mean to do any of the things that I've done to you. I'm really sorry. Oh, for Opoku.
Why are you disturbing me? You come, I'm standing my somewhere. Greet and pass. If you don't greet to pass and go somewhere. What's wrong are you?
I'm sorry.
Sorry about what? I'm not in a good term with you. And I don't want to be in a good term with you.
But I want
you
to
can
be
pass.
in good terms with you. I know deep down you want to be in good terms with me. Opoku, let's be in good terms.
And you know that, and you are firing yourself on me.
I am not.
You are firing yourself on me.
No. Opoku, I am not.
Because of you, in this school, the first day I come, because of you, I've tired, sir. I've my prepare, sir. Me because of you.
But those were all your decisions. I didn't influence any of them.
So then go and influence any of them.
Opoku, am I not the one you are waiting for? Let's go to class.
Are you not the one I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for somebody.
We will be late.
I said I'm not waiting for you. What's wrong are you?
Opoku, where is your belt?
So you come here to come and laugh at me, right?
Oh, maybe I can help and give you a belt.
Me, I'm a Aroma fan, so we don't use a belt.
Okay. Let's go.
What is that? I don't know what you said, boss. If you never and I do know better, I don't know how to say, self-arrangement. I'm a demon and I'm saying, this time around, me and Pearl Beam, walk your way and let me walk my way.
Okay.
Cheap of it. Libra Bricano, Umunya target. I'm a pan of many brab brain. Hey, madam, stand there. Stand, go your back. First of all, I'm an alcohol share. I'm a partner for me, Oba Mesre. Am I laughing? Me near break and a mijina. I'm now post school by Yankasamiro.
I'm catch him.
And I didn't know one marry me.
Remember, shall say, who pay me here, and now your headmaster.
Who didn't hear Oba school? And now buy no so many when Nisha, who didn't hear Manisha. Let's say a smile, because of war, my country me to a boy. You're refusing the visa. Oh, embassy, because of war. Just what my free school more. I'm a man for show, see a team go to prison, as the same report to prison. Wabra Minia Bonibia. Hey, sister, sorry, I've been forming me a Kakariko. If you are a witchcraft, I will tell you that I'm a lizard. If you don't know, let me tell you. Yeah? It's better for you to go to the police station and tell them that I didn't do anything. Else, you will see what you don't see, or you will see what you don't like.
Are you done?
Am I dying? You are telling me am I dying? You are rich.
What?
You are rich.
So because say usu be too kind na dia ndi on and our visa akoyesi no ne na agin bebe.
It's all because of you. Take one free school mo anke then ya me. Makom baby aba me ba ya say I me na me mama daughter pie na opia free school mo ani binti ya che me.
Sonie ade na wo ye no. Share nsu
Life mu nyina edi me chiri.
Ya me
edi me pese matibi da. Aye the word sonie. Ade ya SD kan kwa me pese matibi.
ya me sumeyi.
Ama we be for me boy.
Me chan.
You are a devil may cry.
Oh yes.
Bonsam besu. Ama you are a witch. Chewa. Yeah, ko. Me boy. You are a wazenga. Eh. Sarabati kuku do for. You are a wazenga. Eh, ama enyame miso. Say a small se be yemi anyame miso. Ama wabay fo no anaso mo anu mo yesa meeting na na camp no. Kobuso mo za wan ye fe no. Wacha. Kobuso mo. Me na mo to nkraduro no. Omo nam na so mo ya nkraduro so nkraduro de be no ma. Wacha. Emia, u ma bo akro.
Me Charlie Chaplin sembi ojina wo.
Me Charlie Chaplin sem.
Na de onim.
Me so so ma ya bu collapse o. Me nyo.
Fansa kame.
I'm a wicked. Me trimo sum. Me
Charlie, jai dia wo ye no. Ne fa fansa kame.
Ah no Charlie Paste and I say Charlie Bay.
Charlie Chaplin. Na dia concert ya wo ye.
Ama ya mabu.
Fa fansa kame na wo de fansa kame ma wo ye bema. So ne fa fansa kame.
Ama o ya mabu butu. Ama me konto kwa nyame nsa na mde ku.
Na de dai.
Ama sisi o dina me tape wa o wi a. E bi ade se kofa wo top wo no mo. Ama
Uja wani.
ene ma ma ne ntokwa. E won ne tie na mde ma. Atafu benya na kame no wako. Anko abome. But me nko da.
Are you done?
Me nko da.
Are you done?
Okoi.
Na wo boy.
Ko
Chia me ai.
Ko chia na me charge mra. Ko chia na me charge mra.
Okay, bra.
Dun. Ama unsuru unyane.
Bra.
Dun. Unsuru unyane.
Me chawo, me chawo.
Ama. Unsuru unyane.
Opoku.
Ama metapu wa obewu. Okabi na me.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray let I
we are sima me nko am wo meni anije se ka smile ana happy ana excitement me ni bi de bia me nko am ra aden why always me Lord? Am I a sinner? Am I do a sin? Hey, Kotri. Bra. O criminality. Once a gate, main gate down. And so on and a mura.
I don't find it.
It won't say some about.
She, I don't remember this or about the woman down for no. Ah,
I said, who can
who do you who bear my mamma's wife you?
Anyway, send you to crown on the floor. We are sitting so custom chile, Nakupon, Akachina Frama. A unia babrita. Meaning, so dear said, you casachana with you. And Quasia Sama said, Britain meeting. Say, me cousin manage one of me. And he say, oh, Britain, and me shiao. My man started to cry. Ba, Quab Kushim come to Quine. And come to Quine. I may be a mammy, I'm a visa by me, Quadia, my coin bazzy. Blah. Bonnie the visa, she after the Bako Baya, where is your police report? And I'm saying, oh boss, I didn't brought it. And was to go back and go and brought it. Blah. Because police station or Korea, you see, me wo criminal case be wo muntin, mo police case be wo muntin. Dey be issue see me. Blah. Me police for ya kasa aka dia me bra be o mo krom so money. Omo de ma me du embassy ho no ma. Bro ni hwe me sa, what the visa na me o. Why when you tell you know you are a criminal? Me so passport to see twa me search no.
Asa wo ye bia na wo disi won. Bibia che se wo ye kromfo.
And now me na me kromfo. It's all because of your sister. And na mu nua ba so na echi be to police station. Wa bra minimum asem no hwe.
Enti
Ama say me case wa police for ho no ma. Ye hwe police for record ma. Me a prisoner. I'm a prisoner lucky to be. I'm a prisoner. Bra, bonne ba na me ye. Wa said you no ma bone. Wa wo shiwi. Wa we stop on wa criminal kra no. O je nchi wontum da. Me mom ne be chima to.
me die o kama asem na di wi ensensem be ma me Opoku me bibia to nche aboa style bi ma on
O kan no ne ho de nti no no
se ma kwakwa
o kan ne ho de
o kan asem aso ka wa
na o she
na me share news
na wo kra ne anche wo me ne be cheme
he aya na mo yam sasa na tie on
unu ba no tie me ma me ka am chow unu ba one ne nkasa na mo nko police station ho na mo nko twa me din film because I'm not a criminal. I'm innocent boy. I'm disposable. So why is this case?
Mr. Oza me pese me no be gidigidi. Me fa me ho adwene pa. Ana adwene da metiri mu no. Minim dem de ye. Me di dwiniska. E de dwene nyoma e be ma me bra esiye. Me nam wo no. Me nyene ntokwa ho.
O started dwiniska. Me started dwiniska nyene so unya skada unya kaprekra.
Kakra. Sika ya mpre. O pre a obetin.
Masa, wan prin so unya.
Nti ene kopre.
Wan prin so unya.
Kopre ni afo baby a efai.
Me si wunu nya ba ne nkasa. Na mo kotwa me di me free ayinim.
Ma me ka asem tro me say asem we yetwa so. Me mpese obi ba be keka asem we ya kire me bio. Enti wo bibi a wa ko police station wona ne omo koka so omu ntwa odim because wa anye so.
Wa bodam ne nam so na me ko me dem ko police station.
Enti di o ma be che onu ko nipa no wono.
Eni ba ne ntimi ntimi ko.
Bodam timi nua ba me aka kire me ye. Timi nua ba ko so mi nua ba ne nsa na fa ne koi. Yo, me mpem kra kra.
Enti mu ntimi akwanto mo me ana.
Hwe.
Sisi yesi mi ntimi fa soro nko abrochira me fa.
I don't refse mbo je se ntimi ntu kwan da.
Ubo media.
Apuo. Ntimi ntu kwan da. Na utu kwan kra o yembe hyehyɛ. Obi on full flight da.
Mike.
Apu.
Mike, mama ka am tro. Se ban na dia tum so mi ntimi fa soro ade se nsuo so nko na metima fa no. Da. Mi so ship mu tina mi ntimi ntina ship mu.
Ntu be so yere.
Unu nua ba ne nkasa na monko police station hono na monko twa me din free criminal cases ni. I'm not a criminal. Mike, you are aware that I'm not a criminal.
Obe na makọ papa no akọ ke kansem bebere aka wo se wo di na tem so echimi fo ni ade ahwa oduru okra we kra de omo ma nwura mu.
But Mike, you know that I'm guilty.
You are guilty.
I'm guilty. You don't know that I'm
You are guilty.
Guilty domain.
I know you can say that. I know it's what you are come to say.
I bet you know I'm guilty.
Guilty.
I'm guilty.
What a guilty.
Me who so I say we minimum we.
Uni mu bibi. Opoku. Fa kwa sese fro ko. Uwo bibi a ko mo wona ni omkodi nkomo nyame. Oboda ma sese be no. Uyo yo. What's it?
Ati Mike, o pesa o chrem say. O pesa o chrem say me jimi ana. O pesa unu ni aba mo pesa makontu obo mi ana.
Aroma.
Sorry, please, Charlie.
What took you so long?
I was trying to memorize the graph before I go so that it will be more easier.
Charlie.
Look at
This thing, tell me I don't understand this one.
Yes, the tries
I said, let's just say this the word will come in the exam.
They are mutia and talk.
Charlie, that tactic they take us go far. When we the backbenchers. In exams, you know, a formula necessary. David, come book and I see prepare she able to.
So I learned the small one. You see, there are some that you should keep.
Nowadays,
I did learn this.
Aroma, something just popped up in my mind.
Question.
Yeah, it's not even about the book. You can close it. Let's talk. Are you then, Britta? What's up?
Charlie, me Ashona. You know what are the good things?
Not you all.
You know why you don't come to school? Why?
You know, I get some vibes for outside you, but
You don't want to take this book serious, bro. If this book will help us.
Charlie, I said I would take him serious. So that be our idea, they your side. But they won't make us finish the Brita in a situation before we continue.
Me assure them, Charlie. That girl, she won't cause headache for me. I don't feel stand that pressure, so I show them long ago.
But still, she dey trouble you with impression or idea they go down.
You know I'm now, Charlie. This girl, I do everything possible. Still, the girl did my name stop, Charlie. She still distress me here and there. You still distress me, man.
This why they make sense because first, by the way, now they check Brita she then your vibe, and every time when they see you, be like, oh, this one day, this relationship go far.
You know what they pay me? That thing will be obvious. You know what is there. And yes, if you be a CEO, you know, say, for this reason, you know, if you continue. So just move on.
Just understand them.
Move on.
She still no understand.
You the Adams too, you fool past anybody on this planet.
I did they make me Sean Adams. Adams in situation they say be chow. But what you do, that's all. That be Aroma, make you no go back on your words at all. See, and if still they should do the trouble you, family can be doing. I'm so happy on one lie. Make sure now soon.
See who is talking. You go slap Brita.
I will sound them.
You will sound blade. Hey, you don't blade. Charlie, the thing is say, is if you deal with these girls where you don't take time. If you do something, then later regret. So me, I won't take them cool. I just won't take them cool. Then Shona. And this remind me, what about Santua? Waiting to go and plus you that girl.
Oh, for him they make you dog that conversation.
That one day you for Sean that conversation, Abi. You won't know my own. You don't make her know your own, Abi.
Nah, I say your own. If you then I will both suffer for him. That's why I see my own Shona.
Brita, no, bro. It's obvious. I can't be with a girl like Brita. What pains me is, Charlie, the girl carry on in attitude high though. Now I don't know that side of her. I thought Brita was this cool girl. Hey, as this issue pop up, me I knew say the girl no, she get more.
My junior, I'll say you thought say she be cool now.
No, I was just for I guess.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me pesa me come
Aroma. Aroma. It's you better check me from me do a chame from Tiana. Aroma.
Charlie, what's up?
What's up? But are you dumb?
Am I dumb?
Let me from me do a chame from you better check on Tiana.
Are they laughing?
And then no cranty now cry me shut down no free cry. I didn't know what they hear me now no. A brona no and mutugu so am bomeno. Send me your beer. I'm in per once a my blah. Commit my report to my police for. And I think I met my boodiam with you.
What is stopping you?
But as I won why and papa be paying. And school nest, yes, started school no one I may know 7 years and for. Why am I dear be paying? Mamma near so paying. Da, commit my job bonnet. But I know nothing. Me they are now for any school for us so. You can't say, can Brita house one hand.
Yeah, Brita.
Blah. Matisia so about school.
Sure.
And a school now about it. What in it? Aroma on can't tell me. Oh, dear gay, ye. What in it? Who can't tell me?
Brita, everybody knows she's back. Will be a school in any Brita, but
and it's the girl yet. Woman and China come here and call revenge.
For revenge for what?
Me at the prison.
Oh man.
If it's a woman, can't you cry and I'm saying maintenance be a chida, can't
man,
can't back, maintenance be a chida, and I'm gay who that chimatum. I'm a could debate 1 week or 4 days were prison.
Man, me refi we Charlie. Boku baby now move on with your life. And one here,
me young baby. Sad now and maybe and then another was school man who so fast. Like children, share. O compare you crying from Okope visa and from a
young Fabisa, Mamma, my
share. O copy be do the brave Bamukra wunya because of a criminal case. A police station. O come record ma odi wom. Ya tro din Aroma. Me din wom Opoku. Ya tro me din wom. Na something can be too kwan. Me free school can be too kwan. Can me cross the Shield Island. I'm so far with an mame. Adaya. Me kwaji me police report him. I'm kwaji ba ya say criminal case to boom. criminal case to my father's son, mammy.
Man,
Blah.
man, I don't have time for this, Charlie.
Oh, can you call Australia? Australia straight. My father's son, mammy. Hey, yeah.
For what reason?
Da, get no young come yendi gen what
Charlie.
Yenta get no, da. Yenta get no.
Opoku.
Sal, I want how I send on so bon.
Listen, Opoku. Me, ye can't crump on me, and me spending my time when inside. Oh, would you call us all by now? You Ziana, Ubayana,
and I make sense. I want on count finishing to the
Opoku. Obi will be and come in or some ye on the baby. Charlie, me, refi.
Nipa, my control was one I can also say, oh, yeah, again, baby. Go, young come mum, black. I didn't say again. Yen din ni school mu abra ye mama konko na ne ntwema konya no ba ye ma ne ho hyehye no
meba eno na wonya den na aye den
na me oye me nya de ono wonya de o ma me vesa bo me nya de
man
ana ono wonya de
I don't have time for this
da se papa anya hwe abone nya hwe o me side me fa bone nche o
kona ko ye ade na person involve me what's up I know person involve me
arumo bi o me pe wasem pa me no adwen ba ko na tetori bia na wujimi sa
nana poku wen ko ye o lie person o ye me I'm out of this Charlie count me out me patrol why you tell for me
enu tell for yen kan mom ni ndige nani arumo nim so wo ani eden eni ka se ndi obi ani a arumo ye ka se ndi obi ani pa arumo we one of the best boys a mu di amanfo anima nipa no su
Opoku ni nyina atwam that was 10 me ma focus sa life
chai den sem no nipa ma afia me se wo se den bra sisi a wugina wontimi nye fesa wo wontimi ya walk up yi se e ba sisi ase ye kobia wontimi nye fesa emfa ma wo kasa nyina walk up nti na mani abre no walk up na your opportunity kese me visa are ready akasi ye de stamp bebom me passport are ready asebe akasi ye de mekwa visa opportunity se aba ye ndiga nani na yenye ya won for adwen mame so for na adwen mame me nkwa me dig nani better me and you our eyes is not meet ye din shia hu se me ba twakwam no kofa sei eza wo shia me a se amagani amageshia you go see amagawo
yeah me penkwa me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pese me come any months so meya oh Lord I pray that I will fulfill my wish oh yeah
it's about the kidnapping age right you see I was not aware me say we part of for na you do omokotu me aware cause you me campus say me no kwa nko da ye ni issue bia so me tie no kwa na my basa. Oh, and I was once saying, I won't share anytime you'll be shambi. I won't count once, so I thought, say, I won't count. To me, tea, now, my percent. Send me banner, we can't, so me baby power.
When you came, I thought that you would actually come to me and apologize because I thought that you would have heard about it, but you were not coming, and then I could already see Opoku also coming to trouble you. Since he was also called back, and then I just removed it from my mind.
Opoku dear, I won't say you deserve it, but you know, once Opoku no campus I say, me name come here, so Opoku dear need I will say you say normal.
Oh no, better you can't say that. Better it's painful. Better you should understand him. If not for something, maybe I could have also come to you and then acted like that, because it's painful. Imagine getting caught like that. Maybe even if it was you, you'd have even done something even bigger. You'd have even been more aggressive. So if you speak like that, it's not good at all. So let's just ignore anything and then move on.
Okay. So thanks for accepting my
I also wanted to tell you about one more thing.
Okay.
But yeah, I want guy Aroma and ask him. Better yourself. Show who free Aroma. Let's say who free Aroma no.
Von. No,
this is not about fighting. Yeah. Aware there. Aroma ni Scanty. I want Scanty woba. Scanty will be daddy. Into any day and for any reason, I want Aroma will socialize and I will mingle with them. It is how I bet them are. What they actually now on Scanty will carry the obey.
You say, when I will back share me, the menino and mingle and as saying.
Oh no, me, I'm just giving you a piece of advice.
Von, advice we is zero. Me person me disrespect so cry me ba say me ba be power chill. And no ne hear me. But a ba many Aroma tema and for one too, cause the one too ma. Me disrespect so. Please.
Hey, Britta. Say you can try and be disrespect me. Cow, me rough. Ow.
Babo me.
Can me be making.
Babo me.
Britta.
Von. Relationship that me no one tell me like my name yes sir.
Then Britta, please take my words of advice.
My name yes sir.
Take my words of advice, Britta.
Already.
Me, I don't have anything else to tell you. I don't want stress. Your apology is accepted. Let's keep the relationship normal. Please.
Yeah, must say no who crass me misapa na chill. Say you and Aroma.
Precious, I can see you are very busy. Are you going somewhere?
Yeah, we have a meeting at church.
Okay. I want us to discuss something. You know what is going on between Britta and I. You know, it hasn't been cool between us for the past days. And the thing is, I called and asked her what she wants from me because I wanted to stay away from me. And she said I should pay her school fees. She wants me to pay her school fees before she leave me alone.
Why do you have to pay the school fees?
Same question. Kanin, I don't know.
Why?
I don't know, Kanin.
Aroma, are you sure you don't know?
I don't know. That's what she wants. She said she will only leave me alone if I pay her school fees. And because she said because of me, and Mike has refused to pay her school fees and a whole lot
so
of
because
things.
Mike couldn't pay,
yes,
she assumes that it was because of you.
Me. So I should just.
And so are you going to pay?
I don't have any choice, Kanin.
You don't have a choice.
I don't want to. I just wanted to leave me alone.
You have a choice. You can't just tell her you don't want to.
You know the amount of times I've been telling her, Cunningham, I don't know the number of times I have to tell Britta that I don't want to do this, but she keeps coming. She always comes with this thing. She said that I should pay the school fees and she will leave me alone. So right now, I don't think I have any choice again. I want to do it.
If that is what will make her stay away from you, then I think it's something that I wouldn't advise you to do, but I think we have no other choice. So you just try and do it. But you must let her know that when you pay, you are done.
You don't even go there.
You are done.
Kanin, don't go there. After paying this fees, if Britta come to me with that nonsense again, you know me, right? I was Aroma before I became Pastor James.
Oh, stop.
I should stop.
Now you are cool. It's like you can't even do anything.
That is the reason why she's doing that.
Yes, exactly. So
I don't want to show that side of, I don't want to bring it out.
During some times, you have to.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I want to pay the fees. I want to pay the fees for now, you know. But if she keeps doing that, then I think I have to show her that Aroma part of me.
I'm going to church, so I'll tell the elder to pray for you.
Pray for me?
Yeah, this matter is so serious.
You think it's funny?
No, it's very serious.
You ask them to pray for me?
Yes.
So
when you're in your spiritual marriage, I have to let them pray for you because it's serious.
Yeah, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go.
I'm fine, hi. I'm fine. Amma, are you busy?
No.
I wanted to talk to you. Since you are not busy, can you sit down so that we talk? I hope everything is good.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Aroma spoke to me about something, and I think as a girl, I have to speak to you about it because maybe you've not really gotten anybody to talk to you about it, and so you are just making a hasty decision. I got to know from Aroma that you said you want a compensation before you leave the relationship, and I don't think that is actually the best idea because when somebody hears this about you, they are going to see you in a different way. What do you mean by you want to take money from your boyfriend before you leave him?
No, but he's the one that promised to pay my fees.
He promised you?
Oh, yes.
You didn't ask him? Oh, according to what Aroma said, you said before you will leave him, he has to pay your school fees because Mike J didn't pay your school fees because of him.
He promised to pay my fees. I didn't ask him. And you see, that time, we were in a relationship, so he was into me. You get, and you know, say, if say so, Obi falling in love, or yet, maybe oh, I won't say so on general, but he was in love. And I'll catch him so bit to your fees now, mommy. I shouldn't worry about this my J things saying to your fees, you know. And I said, okay, cool. Until right now, or catch him say, Pese will be to you, like, you see.
Oh, he said he will pay it. Obekacha me say, oh, betia. But I was a bit shocked because how he told me, he was like, you said he has to pay or else you will not leave him. But do you think you want to take it?
Yes.
Do you think that's the best idea? Wow. Me, I would advise you not to take it.
Precious. Mike, see on to you. Yeah, it's also to you now. Meet me try exams now. Cause man, to you, meet me exams. So I was to you.
I don't think it's a good idea to take money from a guy when you are leaving the relationship because it's not like you were married and you need a compensation. You were just dating.
And who told you say many need you?
Munjai,
You enjoy you.
I think you guys broke up and you needed money because you guys are breaking up.
Share. You enjoy it, why?
Mama, you have a child with Adam.
Precious. And fire precious.
Hey.
Me enjoy. Say me tina wa ba bejina. What do you say, Jayo? Tina bejina hana. As a girl and then when you guy Jaye, you can say, share. We are still together, why?
Mama, you are dating your baby daddy's brother.
Precious, me no didn't come. I am Bobo. Are they?
Yeah, I've heard you. Thank you.
The same, but as any time we have to say we come and go.
We are
the same.
Me, I've left them.
Left who?
Both of them.
But still,
Who sent me to for crowd? Until they can't go.